and welcome to bharatmatrimony.com हम और तुम। बचपन की दोस्ती कभी कभी प्यार में बदल जाती है, प्यार से शादी हो जाती है। जी हाँ, ये सिर्फ हिंदी फिल्मों में ही नहीं, रियल लाइफ में भी होता है। बचपन के दोस्त हम सफर बन जाते हैं, हम और तुम बन जाते हैं, एंड दे लिव हैप्पीली एवर आफ्टर। और डू दे? And how do they? Let's meet Vikas and Punita Bhalla and find out the secrets of their happy married life. Please welcome Vikas and Punita Bhalla. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you for coming. Please sit. आप तो अभी तक गुड्डा गुड्डी लगते हैं।
अच्छा।
शादीशुदा नहीं लगते हैं।
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
आप बचपन के दोस्त हैं।
हाँ, बचपन से दोस्त रह चुके हैं। तो ये प्यार में कब बदला? Was it always you all knew कि हम लोग शादी करेंगे, या you all went through your various experiences and then came back together? मेरे हिसाब से सुचित्रा ये बदलता जा रहा है प्यार में। कोई ऐसा फिक्स टाइम नहीं है कि बदला, because I think every day you learn something new about the other person in a relationship. So you tend to fall in love day after day after day. So I think it's an entire process. ये एक process है. It's not one particular day what you can point out कि आप आज के दिन में इससे मेरी दोस्त है, उससे अगले दिन मैं इससे प्यार करना शुरू कर रहा हूँ. It's not that. I think एक process है जो which is a long process.
But when did it start? When you all were very young?
मेरा स्कूल, हम दोनों का बल्कि स्कूल खत्म हुआ था.
हाँ.
हमने कॉलेज में एडमिशन ली थी.
हाँ.
बल्कि मैं एक दूसरे कॉलेज में जा रहा था, एक दूसरे कंट्री में जा रहा था पढ़ने के लिए. जब मुझे जब मैं इनसे मिला,
हाँ.
और आई मेट हर थ्रू अ कॉमन फ्रेंड, एंड पता चला कि शी इज कमिंग टू द सेम कॉलेज, टू दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज. सो आई टुक एडमिशन. उसी कॉलेज में मैंने एडमिशन ली. और I bribed my way through and
This is in Xavier's college.
No,
NM college.
Okay.
So somehow that initial thing must have been right from the start कि this is the girl.
This is it. So then आपने उसको woo करने की कोशिश की and
actually to tell you the story in short, I was a very big flirt.
हाँ, मैं वही पूछने वाली थी. Now it's coming out.
I was dating a friend of hers before that. So, but you know, it was always when I saw Punita and I met her that this is the girl I want to get married to at the end of.
And आपके क्या विचार थे? Did you feel the same way?
I just thought we were very young, so I thought थोड़ी देर बाद बात करते हैं. But Vikas, I think beginning only he never said let's go out. He said let's get married.
तो आपने dating की नहीं?
नहीं, we dated for a very long time.
Yeah, we dated for a long time. In fact, I remember what she is saying is right. When I was about 15, 16, so it was literally like out of a Hindi film movie. हम एक डांडिया रास के लिए गए थे, तो वहाँ पे I still remember she had worn this beautiful white घाघरा चोली. I don't think you have it as well. So that was when I said, wow, this woman is so beautiful. And the next day we had a college and I went outside her classroom. I called her out and I proposed to her. I said, do you want to get married? It was not like you want to go around, you want to get married.
We were just, I think, 16 or something.
And she was like, are you
But you all
crazy?
waited a while then, शादी करने से.
Yeah, then obviously she couldn't resist. She couldn't resist the charms. But yeah, we dated for a while and then we got married, yeah.
So there was no particular, this particular instant, you kind of noticed that she's, and what about for you? आपको कब लगा कि, yeah, this guy is gorgeous, I want to be with him or something like that?
अभी तक नहीं लग रहा है.
नहीं, हमेशा वो छुपाती है, शर्माती है.
I think as more I got to know him, the more I got to know him, the more I liked him.
Yeah.
He has a very, बाहर से he's very mischievous and everything.
Yeah.
तो लगता था पता नहीं कितने serious होंगे, but it's been quite nice.
आप एक film family के हैं.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you all have been part of each other's dreams and aspirations and hopes from a very young age. तो आपको मालूम था हमेशा कि विकास इस लाइन में आएंगे and गाना गाना चाहते हैं, एक्टर बनना चाहते हैं.
हाँ जी.
You knew that and you supported that.
Of course, because he is so talented.
Yeah.
And even college में when he used to sing, people used to always always talk that he's so talented and he does so well. My friends, everybody.
Yeah.
So then it was a good line. I mean, it's a good line.
And like I said, you're from a film family. You're Prem Chopra's daughter. So you know the good and the pitfalls associated. तो आपको कभी नहीं लगा कि ये flirt करेंगे दूसरे औरतों के साथ, late nights रखेंगे, मुझे neglect करेंगे. What is it like growing up in a film family and knowing the what goes into making a person what he or she is and dealing with that?
I think it's just और आसान हो जाता है, the late hours and you know the
I think
kind
she
of
was more
lifestyle.
understanding because of the
So
fact
you
that she,
understand,
you know, was from a film family, film background.
Yeah.
So it made it more easy for her to understand if I'm shooting late in the nights or if I'm out on an outdoor for longer hours. So
Yeah.
कोई और family से होता तो शायद adjust करना मुश्किल होता, लेकिन this has helped me a lot
तो
actually.
आपको आप समझ सकते हैं कि ये सिर्फ भाई काम है. You know,
Yeah,
there's
so
nothing. Yeah, so it just works and there's nothing to fret about.
Yeah, so it's a good excuse we men have, you know.
No.
Right. He's always naughty, isn't he?
Yeah.
आपको देखकर मुझे वो डायलॉग याद आती है फ्रॉम कुछ होता है, लड़कियां बास्केटबॉल नहीं खेल सकती. रिमेंबर? सो एट व्हाट पॉइंट जब आप दोस्त हैं, यू नो, साथ ग्रो कर रहे हैं, तो एट व्हाट पॉइंट डू यू लुक एट अ पर्सन डिफरेंटली एंड लुक एट हिम एज अ मैन और अ वुमन एंड से दैट, oh my god, this is not just a friend, this is more, you know?
I think when you see him with another girl,
Yeah.
then you think.
Yeah. And did that happen? वो काफी हुआ?
He was dating my friend, so it did happen.
Okay.
Yeah, but that was not like a serious relationship. It was just, you know how it is when you're in college and when you've just passed out of school.
Yeah.
Young guys, how they are at that point of time. So
We don't know.
उस वक्त
You can't imagine. Actually, I think women can't imagine.
Imagine such things.
Yeah.
नहीं, she was from लड़कियों के स्कूल से थी, तो I think वो फर्क पड़ जाता है थोड़ा, because it's the matter of being in a co-ed school, so I guess that makes a little bit of a difference also. So, but as I told you, जब मैंने इन्हें पहली बारी देखा तो मुझे I realized कि she's the nice, decent, sensible, intelligent girl I want to get married to, with long hair.
Okay. And अगर वो ना कहती तो आप क्या करते?
तो फिर मैं
I had said no only.
हाँ.
So he kept on and on, जैसे पीछे
You know,
पड़ गए.
I'm a Scorpio by my date of birth.
Yeah.
So they are very persistent and they go after something till they achieve it. So I took about 1.5 साल लगा मुझे इनसे वो ना को हाँ में बदलने में, लेकिन वो 1.5 साल में जारी रहा.
मैंने सुना है आप जब वो रूठती है, she can't stay angry with you because आप इतना प्यार से उसके लिए गाना गाते हैं कि पिघल जाती है.
अच्छा. कभी-कभी ज़्यादा गुस्सा हो जाती है. ऐसे गाने गाते.
Depends on the song.
Depends on the song. Okay, but does he know your favorites and what he's supposed to sing, or you just leave it to him?
He actually ऐसे कभी भी गा लेते हैं.
हाँ.
तो जैसे हम शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं तो तब गा लेंगे. To leave the shop soon.
अच्छा.
तो any time he is capable of singing.
She's just over exaggerating, but ठीक है. I like to see her happy, obviously, so I just, for that smile I keep singing. Okay, better.
Very good.
आपके शादी के काफी साल हो गए, but even after so many years, I find that there's a lot of, you know, togetherness, a lot of love, and people struggle with that.
I told her that. I said, show पे आ रहे हो तो थोड़ा love दिखाना.
तो ये सब झूठ मूठ है. After, you know, many years together, how do you keep it alive? Magic जिंदा कैसा रखते हैं relationship में?
Actually, we give each other a lot of space. तो जैसे if he wants to do something, he has my full encouragement.
Yeah.
And it's the same with me.
Like my boys' nights out.
Yeah.
So she doesn't stop me on those.
तो boys nights out पे चले जाते हैं.
No.
Once a day.
But basically, we give each other a lot of space, lot of encouragement. So
तो ये भी आपको support करते हैं आपके काम.
in whatever I do.
तो आप रियल एस्टेट, इनके फैमिली रियल एस्टेट बिजनेस में इन्वॉल्व हैं, तो आप नहीं उसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं?
No, I'm also involved, but
Okay.
she's also actively
I can
involved
give
in
more
that.
time than
Yeah.
मेरी शूटिंग में काफ़ी समय चला जाता है शूटिंग में, और शोज वगैरह होते रहते हैं तो उसमें काफ़ी समय चला जाता है. बट पुनीता इज देयर एज यू नो one person who's there with my parents all the time and with the family all the time and in the business, and she's actively involved.
तो ये वाकई आज के ज़माने के मेट्रोसेक्सुअल मेल हैं?
yes.
मेरे ख्याल
And
से
he
सेक्शन
even
में
helps out with my daughter.
अच्छा, is he a good father?
Very good.
Yeah.
हाँ जी.
So आपने nappy changes वगैरह की?
Oh yeah,
सब
I've
करने
done.
पड़े.
I did all that. I did all those
He was
things.
there even for her birth.
I was there for her delivery. In fact, the first person she saw after she was born was me.
हाँ, डर गई होगी.
And to a काफी extent तक I actually gave birth to her.
He feels.
Literally.
Yeah.
He's cut the cord.
I cut her cord and
Okay.
I'm very attached to my child बहुत.
तो आपको डर नहीं लगा वो because lot of men are so horrified by that process. उनको
मुझे-
इतना डर लगता है वो process से.
मुझे लग रहा था कि डर लगेगा तो डॉक्टर ने जब मुझे पूछा कि you would want to cut the cord. पहले तो मैंने कहा नहीं. Then in a second I changed my mind. I said it's a once in a lifetime opportunity.
Yeah.
I said yes, give me the scissor. I took the scissor and I cut the cord and it was separating the mother from the baby. And
You
then
can never
ever
really
since
do
उसके
that.
बाद
I mean, it's
उसके
just
बाद
so-
ever
yeah.
since उसके बाद ever since my baby is with me and she loves me more and she's always
She loves you more.
always her
ये
papa's
सच है?
child.
That's what she says.
That's what she
But
says.
No,
I
she's
feel
just
क्योंकि mother is 24 hours together.
Yeah.
Father is 5 hours.
Yeah.
तो उसमें ही फर्क पड़ जाता है. माँ डांटती रहती है.
no, but actually the fact is child may say that she loves the father more, but I personally believe that माँ के बगैर कोई भी बच्चा नहीं रह सकता. From my own experience, I think I'm incomplete without my own mother also. At this age, even now, I depend on my mother emotionally to such an extent that you can't imagine. So माँ ऐसी चीज़ होती है जो जिसके बगैर कोई बच्चा नहीं रह सकता. बहुत लंबा तो नहीं हो गया
नहीं
dialogue?
नहीं बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. मैं but lot of people don't understand it and जब मुझसे भी कभी पूछते हैं and I say it's like trying to explain color to a blind man. You have to know what it's all about. You have to experience it to know what it's all about. नहीं तो you'll never understand. So आपकी जमती है with his, you don't mind his attachment to his mother and
No.
आपकी जमती है उसके
हाँ
साथ.
जी, quite.
Yeah.
I'm very comfortable with that. Actually, maybe वो है ना because we've known each other उतने साल, and that is how much time I have known his family and he has known mine.
Yeah.
तो फिर उसमें भी बहुत फर्क पड़ जाता है कि क्योंकि कोई फॉर्मेलिटी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, मतलब काफी स्मूथ ट्रांजिशन भी स्मूथ था. और फिर
पहले अंकल आंटी बुलाते थे एक दूसरे के पेरेंट्स को, फिर
अभी मम्मी
पापा बुलाते हैं. एंड आई ट्रीट both our sets of parents as one. I mean, I'm very close to my in-laws as well as my parents, and we are very lucky to have such good parents.
तो आप तो उनको गा के मनाते हैं. Does he get angry?
no, he doesn't.
He doesn't.
अच्छा.
And I love to fight, but he doesn't.
अच्छा.
He just keeps quiet and goes out.
she's being very sarcastic, and I'm going to punch her for that. But
Fight very rarely.
कहाँ fight? Fight तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. हाँ कल ही actually नहीं.
वो ब्रेक में भी तो फाइट कर रहे थे आप
He
लोग.
spoils my daughter a lot.
Yeah.
So the whole fight is on that all the time.
अरे अभी एक बेटी है मेरी, उसको नहीं बिगाड़ूंगा तो किसको बिगाड़ूंगा?
How much do you all give and take? How much do you respect each other's opinion? कि चलो joint decision लेना है कि इनकी decision है या मेरी decision है? How does it work?
इनकी डिसीजन है लेकिन लेता मैं हूँ.
You know, वो ऐसे क्वेश्चन कर देंगे, ऐसे राउंड कर देंगे कि यू आर कंफ्यूज्ड. हाफ है आई एम कंफ्यूज्ड. तो फिर डिसीजन हो जाती है वैसे.
That's a typical
That's how
man.
it has happened.
That's a typical man trait actually. I think more than anything else, it's a very man thing to confuse the woman at times.
Like,
But women enjoy
कभी
getting
you go to a
confused
party and he
also.
looks
It's
at
like
some
not
girl.
like we सचमुच confused हो जाते हैं. It's like चलो यार feel good.
चलो यार अच्छा.
You know what
कर
he
लो
does
जी.
when we go to a party and supposing some girl is there and I say no, you're seeing her or whatever. So then he gives some one dialogue. You please tell her that.
What?
Which is that confusion.
जो करते हैं वो दिखाते नहीं, जो दिखाते हैं वो करते नहीं, और कभी कभी कोई दिखाते भी हैं और करते भी हैं, कभी कभी कोई दिखाते नहीं और करते भी नहीं.
So then you're just sitting for 1 minute. Okay, what?
I'm totally confused.
That's what he does.
We'd like to share some moments of your life with the audience. चलिए देखते हैं विकास और पुनीता के मैरिज के कुछ खुशनुमा लम्हे. कौन नहीं चाहेगा इतना सारा प्यार.
आप एक दूसरे को प्यार से क्या बुलाते हैं?
स्वीटो.
Sweet.
स्वीटो सिंह.
Nothing. Depending on the mood.
Depending on the
yeah.
mood. Okay. तो क्विज शुरू करें?
हाँ.
Okay. So now these questions are for you, विकास.
Okay.
पुनीता को आपके बनाए कौन से डिश सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है?
मटन करी.
correct?
Yeah.
Super.
That's the only thing he makes.
Yeah, that's the only thing I don't do. मेरे नाना जी ने मेरे को सिखाया था by the way, and I think it's the best mutton curry. I'll invite you one day and बहुत अच्छी बनती है।
Love to. पुनीता की बेस्ट फ्रेंड का नाम क्या है?
विकास।
Yeah. Okay. पुनीता का फेवरेट एक्टर कौन है?
आमिर खान।
Yeah. इनका फेवरेट परफ्यूम कौन सा है?
कूल वाटर।
Yeah, cool.
पुनीता को आपकी एल्बम का कौन सा गीत सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है?
धुआं I think धुआं।
Yeah, Dua.
Yeah. You've done very well. 5 out of 5.
Not bad.
Super. Now आपकी बारी, देखते हैं कि आप क्या स्कोर करते हैं। विकास इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक में ट्रेंड हैं। उनके संगीत गुरुजी का नाम बताइए।
इकबाल जी and पंडित जियालाल वसंत.
Yes. full
ओके,
marks.
जी टीवी पर चल रहे इनका सीरियल का नाम क्या है?
तुम बिन जाऊं कहाँ.
और उनका को स्टार का नाम?
सीमा शेट्टी and नीता.
True.
खूबसूरत है। और आपकी बनाए डिशेस में से इन्हें सबसे ज्यादा क्या पसंद है?
I think fish curry and all continental more.
Fish curry, yeah. I love the fish curry. Goan fish curry.
काजोल के साथ विकास ने कौन सी फिल्म की थी? ताकत। अपनी बेटी सांची को ये क्या बनाना चाहते हैं? डॉक्टर। मेरी बेटी बड़ी होकर डॉक्टर बनेगी।
She has no intentions of becoming a doctor, but
अभी तो 5 साल की है।
अभी कभी नहीं, उसका हर रोज मूड बदलता है। एक दिन कहती है मैं ज्वेलरी शॉप खोलना चाहती हूँ, एक दिन कहती है मैं एक्ट्रेस बनना चाहती हूँ, एक दिन मॉडल बनना चाहती हूँ, फिर बैक टू डॉक्टर।
तो आपने भी 5 out of 5 स्कोर किया। वेल डन, यू आर टोटली इन सिंक, इन ट्यून विद ईच अदर। आप तो बहुत खुश लगते हैं, बट सभी कपल्स के लाइफ में, सभी की जिंदगी में उतार चढ़ाव तो बहुत होता है। हाउ डू यू कोप विद द डाउन्स?
ये मुझे चॉकलेट खिलाती है।
actually we think we are everything together.
Yeah.
So even your downs don't look that bad when you know you have each other.
Yeah,
with
when you know you have each other, seriously, that's a fact.
That's
because
the reason.
एक तो हमारी लाइन ऐसी है, प्रोफेशन ऐसा है कि it's not one straight career graph you have.
Yeah.
It goes like this, it comes back like this, it's up and down. So it's a roller coaster ride basically. बहुत उतार चढ़ाव होते हैं जैसे आपने कहा। तो इस वक्त अगर आपका साथी आपका साथ दे और आपको समझे और आपके मूड्स को समझे तो आसान हो जाता है बहुत।
मैंने सुना है आपके फादर इन लॉ की मिमिक्री बहुत अच्छा करते हैं। Please do that, you must do that.
She's gonna kill me when let her be. Not let her be.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, thank you. This is for a little gift from us to you. Some lovely goodie bags.
Oh wow.
Thank you.
पहले बताना था गिफ्ट भी मिलेगी। Thank you.
कहते हैं जोड़े आसमान में बनते हैं। You too could make your dreams come true. Log on to www.bharatmatrimony.com and make it happen. चलिए एक ऐसे ही लकी कपल से मिलते हैं।
हाय, मैं हूँ परिमल मेहता।
और मैं हूँ रिद्धि मेहता।
मैं पहली बार अपनी किस्मत आजमाने के लिए bharatmatrimony.com साइट पे लॉगिन किया और देखते ही देखते इनका प्रोफाइल पाया।
मैंने भी मेरे डैडी के कहने पे bharatmatrimony.com पे गई और मैंने वहाँ परिमल का प्रोफाइल पढ़ा।
हम दोनों को एक दूसरे के प्रोफाइल पसंद आए और देखते ही देखते हम दोनों की शादी हो गई। तो अगर आप भी अपना जीवन साथी चुनना चाहते हो तो लॉग ऑन टू www.bharatmatrimony.com।
Thank you so much for coming on our show. It's been a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
May you smile always.